And we are back. Ooh, I think Hurricane Irene's acting up a bit. See a little wind, see a little rain, not much. But let's continue.
Reloading.
Everyone got everything, everyone healed. I don't think everyone's healed. Yeah, why aren't you healing yourself, Michelle? Thank you. I'm getting an axe because the frying pan sucks right now.
Well, somebody just got themselves an axe.
Would you like to ask me a question? No spirit. Fail. Landed right on his head. Whoa! What's our walk?
Reloading. There's that porch light we passed on the way in. Here's that garage sale. Hot bomb all the way. Weapons. Adrenaline shot here.
Let's go. Ooh, running in water. Woo. Oh, okay. Oh no. F me. F me. Go back. Go back. No. Alright, ready? Run. Oh, in his face.
I'm gonna reload. That don't look dignified. Evelyn, cover me, please. Oh, yeah. Come on, y'all, get inside.
The clothes. Oh, God.
Hey, we might need these. We are the kings of the world.
I have a feeling that went quicker. because I was using the adrenaline. Oh, it was quicker, only 5 minutes. You know what? 5 minutes, a 5-minute run. That is awesome. So I'm going to do level 4 along with this. Alright. Oh, you see? I'm getting better. That was an awesome run. I'm getting better. I'm liking this. So we're going to try and do another 5-minute run with this. Alright. I got everything. Y'all got everything. Let's get out of here.
Let's go. Almost back to the plane. What are we supposed to signal at? Hey, what if we turn on the burner tank sign?
Whoa, it's a lot of food. Oh my god.
Reloading.
Oh, no. I am the ultimate warrior.
Don't nobody wander off. Reloading.
No, God, not that fast.
All right here. Sign's on, baby. Sign is on.
Ready?
Y'all get ready now.
Fire!
Grenade.
Fire!
Fire in the hole. Watch out.
Now we're screwed.
Reloading.
Oh, yo, where did I just throw that? Yo, they're up here? Oh. Ninja? 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 Oh. This is
Reloading.
Where's the one? Whoa, he's close. Ah, where is he? He's not in front of us. No! No, 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 no.
Reloading.
Oh, God!
On top, coming.
Okay. Killed him.
Reloading.
Get back up there.
Reloading. High bomb out.
I should fire.
Reloading.
You should have Yes. Scatter and scream. This is taking a little longer, ain't it? Yeah, a little longer. About 4 minutes. We're doing good though. It's just that second tank. We're gonna be screwed with that second one. Oh my god. I would love to live in this neighborhood. Holy, wait. I bet you're like, what? We're trying to watch. I know you're trying to watch, but my computer's not that. So you get to watch them standing, you know what? Whoa, 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 no! See, this is what happens when I do what you guys want. Help me! Nick, do not let me die. If you let me die, I will hate you. No, no, no. Stay. What you do? Oh, crap. Oh. Go.
Hey, somebody watch my back. I'm gonna heal.
Woo! Woo! On crack.
Grabbing first aid.
Nick, be careful! Kill, Nick. Woohoo! Let's go! Yeah, son! We did it! Yeah, not me singing. We did it! Oh, sorry. We did it! Hunter is Ellis. That's me. Okay, 39 minutes on normal, 0 deaths, 6 incapacitated, 9 first aids, 1 pain pill, 3 adrenaline, 0 defibrillators, 6 pipe bombs, 6 molotovs, 0 biojars, 77 melee kills, 2 hunters killed, that's what you get, 4 boomers killed, yay, 1 smoker, yay, 1 charger, yay, 1 jockey, yay, 1 spitter, yay, 273, woo! Infected, 700, oh, that sucks. 6 disturbed the witch, 1 revived the most teammates, 7 protected. Nick got 29, he cheats. 1 healed, 17 accuracy, and 5% headshots up. And 1,134 zombies were killed making. Raw. I suck. Oh well, I'll get practice. I mean, I am a zombie after all. So that is the end of this little chapter. I'll probably play Parish or something for y'all later. Bye.